For the launch of Borealis. Just to let everyone know, if you can't actually get here up front, not to worry, but you'll be at Super Tree Road. So don't worry, you'll be able. Gardens by the Bay. My name is Debbie and I will be your MC for tonight. We are excited to have everyone here tonight for the launch of Borealis, a new immersive light and sound experience at Gardens by the Bay. Borealis is an art installation that combines layers of light and cloud particles to recreate the magical splendor of the northern lights to illuminate the night skies of Super Tree Grove. The debut of Borealis in Singapore will be a new addition to our popular Garden Rhapsody show, which will come on in a few moments. Gracing the occasion is Mr. Edmund Tong, Minister for Culture, Community and Youth, and Second Minister for Law, and Swiss artist Mr. Dan Asher, the creator behind this amazing work of art. We invite everyone to join us and be one of our very first guests to witness the official launch and experience this spectacular installation right after Garden Rhapsody. Thank you.
Minister for Culture, Community and Youth, that we are launching a brand new night installation here at Super Tree Grove. It almost seems like yesterday we first opened our doors. It almost seems like yesterday we launched our first light and sound show called Garden Wrestling, which you enjoyed just now. And for me, it almost seems like yesterday when we filmed the Hollywood blockbuster Crazy Rich Asians, which I'm sure most of you watch it. In fact, I want to claim a bit of credit. I have a role to play. I click one of the action scenes for many visitors. So, to find something to match it or even to surpass it is challenging, if not impossible. We scored the whole world, high and low, and finally settled on Mr. Dan Archer's masterpiece, BOREALIS. I also want to thank Dan Archer's local partner, GP99, Mr. Andrew Nuts. And this I want to tell you, we are not alone. Me and my wife, we went to stare at the Iceland sky for 3 hours. And then we convinced ourselves we saw a tinge of blue and walked away to address us. Thank you, Mr. Archer, please.
Good evening, everyone. First, I'd like to give you a big thanks. It's a lot of work. So, my name is Dan Asher. I'm from Geneva, Switzerland, and I'm an artist. Artist means to use art to create change, social change. I'm passionate about creating situations and using the secrets like these to create situations where we come together beyond differences, to create the sense of belonging and the sense of community, because I have this profound conviction that to face the challenges that we face today, we have to come together and understand that we share a shared future and need to come together. BOREALIS has traveled to many places all around the world, but I've always been dreamt of having it. The results, just like the real life. I'm only able to create the situation. The wind, the temperature, and the humidity makes it changing all the time. It's always unique. I encourage you to come back with your family, with your friends, with your lover, and come back and see it with different conditions. When the wind is up, when there's some rain, it's again going to be very, very different. So, thank you all again, and may the force be with you.
Thank you, Mr. Archer. We would now like to invite Mr. Edward Tong